This is Dr. Luke Cohen, and today we're going to be demonstrating a cervical adjustment. Not all chiropractors can adjust the cervicals. I'm a true master at it. I've been in practice for 20 plus years, so let me show you how it's done. I've already taken x-rays, made an initial diagnosis, so I know where the problem is. Yeah, it's C5, C6 on the lower right side. That gets people's shoulders impacted, affects the nerves down the arms. Breathe. Perfect. Also here it's C2, C3. This affects rotation, affects the sinuses. Breathe. Perfect. Wow, that feels so much better. She's going to walk out of here feeling amazing. Schedule at drlukecohen.com.